Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Seems like those dark skies are
Oh, Stanley, I wish you could see this.
Francesco lost a lot of momentum in the dirt.
Anche il tappalino! Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati!
Found himself trapped in the wild. dead. He emerged 36 days later, running on a fuel he distilled.
I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't radio.
They do it! These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good!
It's organic.
Past the storm. But you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
You know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know,
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McQueen!
Ready, buddy? Ready? All right, Dan. Get it in!
Come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe you're here.
Is that the world's...
When I started Miss Winner's Racing School, and I could help you.
Of thunder. You know, because thunder always comes after lightning. Bam! Kapow!
Where did you come from?
I come from Radiator Springs.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or... Fire in the cart! Seems like my mind has been...
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, that...
But
I hereby dub thee.
Pistón Chiqui. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner...
so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I love.
Give it up, McMissile!
Not my turn, don't.
Oh, number 7 is loose! Shoot, Todoroki!
What just happened?
How's it feel being Jackson Stewart? It was great.
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Getting up there in mileage, aren't you, Finn?
All right, we get it. You both know each other. You're both old. So,
Low and slow.
Oh, yeah, baby.